Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add coolant to your Dodge Avenger. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your engine is completely cool before attempting any work. This prevents serious burns from hot coolant or steam. Locate both the coolant reservoir and the radiator cap, usually found on the passenger side of the engine bay. Always wear safety gloves and eye protection to shield yourself from potential splashes. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and smooth process. With the engine cool, check the coolant level in the translucent plastic reservoir. You'll see min and max lines. The coolant should ideally sit between these two marks. If the reservoir appears empty or very low, carefully open the main radiator cap to check the level directly inside the radiator. Remember, a consistently low level might indicate a leak, so keep an eye on it. When adding coolant, it's crucial to use the correct type. For your Dodge Avenger, this typically means Mopar Haute coolant, which is orange or pink. Using the wrong type can cause damage. Slowly pour the coolant into the reservoir, watching the level carefully. Stop when it reaches the max line. Do not overfill, as coolant expands when hot, and overfilling can lead to spills or pressure issues. After adding coolant, securely replace both the radiator cap and the reservoir cap, ensuring they are tightened properly. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, checking for any leaks or unusual noises. Regularly monitor your coolant levels over the next few days to ensure they remain stable. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Keeping your coolant topped off helps maintain engine health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.